to start a brand new lesson on this fabulous Sports Thursday. So, to warm up our brains first in math, we are going to practice our mental math skills. All of the problems you are going to see, we can solve with our place value knowledge. I want you to try and challenge yourself. Can you solve these problems only using your brain without writing anything down? Can you see the place value and add numbers in the same places all up in your heads? Okay, let's try it out. Here we go. 17 minus 5. What is 17 minus 5? 7 minus 5 is 2, and we only have 1 10. So our answer is 12. Can you read this with me? 17 minus 5 equals 12. Okay, let's try another one. Da-da-da. What is 17 plus 50? 17 plus 50. Remember, we're going to add the numbers that are in the same place. What would this be? Okay, the ones, we only have 7 of them. But then 1 plus 5, we're adding our tens, and that's 6. So our answer is 67. Can you read this with me? 17 plus 50 equals 67. Okay, here we go. More mental math. And 28 minus 4. What is 28 minus 4? What would that be? Okay, look at our ones. 8 minus 4 is 4. And then there's only one number in the tens place. So we're just going to leave it there. So our answer is 24. Can you read our sentence with me? 28 minus 4 equals 24. Okay, the last one. And here we go. 24 plus 30. What is 24 plus 30? Remember, add the numbers in the same place. What would this be? Look, the ones, we only have 4 of them. But now we're going to add our tens place. 2 plus 3 is 5. So our answer is 54. Can you read it with me? 24 plus 30 equals 54. Awesome job using that place value knowledge all up in your brain. So now, Super Scholars, let's look at our Thursday learning target. It says, I can take out 10 from a number, and create the correct number bond. So awesome, people. We have been working so hard to practice our mental math skills for addition. Now it is time for us to build our mental math skills in subtraction. So today we're going to start the work in order for us to build those subtraction mental math skills. So today we're starting with a task to take out 10. That means when we see a number, can we take out 10 from it and tell what is left over? We're going to first start with our place value chart, and then we will be showing how we take out 10 using a number bond. So we're first going to start subtraction today with our place value chart and then into a number bond. So to start, we're going to start with our place value chart. So I need you to get out this piece of paper. We've used this before. We have two boxes, our tens and our ones. I want you to get out your place value chart, and this is what we're going to start with to take out 10. Okay, so first up, I want you to show the number 40. Just 40. Can you show the number 40? This is the number 40. We have 4 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. So now we are going to take out a 10. We're going to have 40 and we're going to take out a 10. So I just want you to take a 10 away. Take out a 10. And what do we have left? We have 3 tens, which is 30. When we took out a 10, our tens place went down, and now we have 1 less 10. We had 4, and now we have 3 tens. So this is what we mean by taking out a 10. And I'm going to show you how that works with a number bot. So we had our 40. That's what we started with. We took out a 10 when we removed one of our sticks. And then we determined that what we had left was 30. After we took out a 10, what was left was 30. See, look, our tens place went down by 1 10. Okay, we're going to reset and try another one. Here we go. Okay, next up, I want you to show the number 23. Can you show on your place value chart the number 23? Here we go. So 20, 2 tens, and then 3 ones. The number 23. So in 23, we just showed its place value. But now, we are going to take out a 10. I want you to take out a 10 from 23. So take out a 10. Take it away. So we just had 2 tens, and now we have 1. What number are we left with after we took out a 10? What number is this? It's 13. We've got 1 10 and 3 ones. So let's look at that in a number bot. We started with 23. We took out a 10. And what did we have left? We had 13. 1 10 was taken out, and then only 1 10 was left. But look, did the ones place change? No, because all we are doing is taking out a 10. That is it. Okay, we're going to do one more with our place value chart. Here we go. Okay, can you show the number 75 on your place value chart? Show the number 75. Here we go. 75. I'm going to have 7 tens. 7 tens and 5 ones. Okay, we just made the number 75. But what is going to happen when we take out a 10? We have 7 tens. I want you to take one away. Take one away. Take out a 10. Okay, how many tens do we have now? We took one away, and we have 6 tens. So what number did we create now? What number is this? It's 65. We went from from 7 to 6 tenths, and now we have 65. Okay, let's look at our number bond. We started with 75. We took out that 10, and what was left was 65. We had 7 tenths, we took out 1, and then we were only left with 6 tenths. And nothing happened to our ones place. Okay, awesome people. I want you to put that place value chart away. We are done with our place value chart because now it's time to move. You know what to do. I need you to stand up out of your chairs because it is our second sports, this or that. So stand up. Okay, you are going to decide, which sport do you like better? Do you like tennis? You're going to shake the left side of your body. Do you like running? You're going to shake the right side of your body. If you don't play either of these sports, that's okay. Which one would you like to play, or which one would you like to watch? So think about it. Tennis or running? I have always wanted to be a runner, so I'm going to choose running and shake the right side of my body. Okay? 5 seconds. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is it. Everybody can sit back down. We got our wiggles out. And now what you're going to need is your number bond sheet. Remember, it looks like this. We've got our nice little number bond and rainbow letters. This is what is up next. Okay, so do you have your number bond sheet out? Because now we are going to practice taking out a 10 just by using our number bond. So this requires our mental math. Okay, first up, I want you to write a 60 in the big number. We are starting with the number 60. We are starting with the number 60. Okay, we have 60. How many tens are in 60? How many tens? There's 6, because a 6 is in the tens place. So now I want us to take out a 10. Can you just take out a 10? So we're going to write 10 in this right box, in this right circle. Take out a 10. Okay, we had 6 tens. We're taking 1 away. How much will be left with? From 60, take out a 10. What will be left? It's going to be 5 tens. So this will be 50. We took out a 10 and we were left with 50. 6 tens to 5 tens. Okay, let's do another one. Reset. Up next is the number 32. Can you write 32 in that big part of your number bond? 32. Okay, how many tens are in the number 32? What number is in the tens place? 3. There are 3 tens. I want us to take out a 10. Take out a 10 from 32. We just took out a 10. What's going to be left? We have 3 tens. Take 1 away. What number would you have? You would have 2 tens left, and we didn't do anything to our ones, so you'd have the same amount. 32 would become 22 after we took out that 10. We went from 3 to 2 tens. Okay, here's the last one we're going to practice together. Reset. And last but not least is the number 84. How many tens are in 84? How many tens? There's 8, because it's in the tens place. So we're starting with 84. Take out a 10. going to be left? We have 8 tenths, and now we're going to have 1 less. What would be left? What's the number? It's 7 tenths, and it would be 74. We didn't do anything with our ones, but look, our tens place went down by 1 because that's what happens when you take out 1 10. So with 84, we took out 10, and we were left with 74. This is the first big skill we are going to use when we practice subtraction using mental math. So I want you to make sure that you really understand what it means to take out a 10 and how you find your new number. So now, Super Scholars, I'm going to give you 2 numbers that I need you to show how you can take out the 10. Okay, using your number bond sheet, you are going to show 80 and 37 and how you take out the 10. They're going to be 2 separate problems. You're going to start with 80, take out a 10, what's left? Then you're going to start with 37. You're going to take out a 10 and tell me what's left. Just with these 2 numbers. I want you to show that you are fluent in this skill and you are ready to move on to mental math subtraction. So, show me 80 and 37 using your number bond sheet, and I can't wait to start subtracting. Here we go.